walks through life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rise.
Sobrang ladingit mi nga talaga. Nga magyaman na kada kayo kakabsat. Makita iti ayat yo kada kami nga pamilya. Kasi sipod na imansay umuna nga aldaw, rabi nga na imansayag ni Mami ket adda kayo. Adda kayo nga may nagiandingay kada kami. Kaan man lang nga may kuti pusok no kasano itikin na ragsak ko kasi teko na kami nga kaya no duwa kam laang ngagkabsat.
And you see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavy